Hey there everyone, this is Chris from Fitness Incoming. Sorry that the words aren't going my lips, but I realised afterwards that my microphone wasn't switched on. So here's my review of the TentBox Go Thermal Liner. So it comes with this nice storage bag, which is quite nice in itself, nice and waterproof, nicely branded. And here is the thermal liner. I'm not going to lie, I thought it was going to be a lot thicker than this. But it will do its job, hopefully. As you can see, all around it, it's got these plastic clips, which go and clip into the bars on the inside of the tent box. Now, I said I've never claimed to be an intelligent person, but I would like this to say front, back or left and right, because it did cause me a few issues. So here we go. I'm going to show you how it fits and how stupid I am. Please enjoy. So for all those that haven't got a TentBox Go, these are so easy to put up. As you can see there, I'm doing it on my own. And it hardly takes up any space because it goes directly up, not flips out. So there you go. As you can see, it fits quite nicely on my Honda Civic. It doesn't move from side to side. And it's quick and simple, just how I like it. So this is inside the TentBox Go. What I've got inside is a self-inflating mattress, and on top of that I'll put a mattress topper. But to stop the cold from coming underneath, I actually put some insulating foil, bog standard stuff that you get from Halfords, and that stops the cold air from coming underneath. So apologies if I make this look harder than what it actually is. All the way around the actual liner itself, it's got these black clips. They clip around the poles on the inside of the tent box, and that's quite good. And we've also got some Velcro patches which match up with the bottom of the tent box itself, so you get that proper seal at the bottom. The only problem I had is I just couldn't work out which way round it was from the inside. I said I am extremely stupid. So probably one of the best bets I could have done is actually try and match up the zips itself with the zips at the top, because that's the thing that it does. It matches up exactly where like the top vent is or the back vent is or the side windows. And that's perfect. Because as you can clearly see here, I've got it the wrong way round. What an absolute dick. So what I had to do is completely unclip it. So I think the best bet to do before getting into the TentBox Go itself is actually lie the liner in from the steps, lay it out, and then try and match up all the doors. And then you can see quite easily where the black plastic clips are supposed to go, rather than getting in it like an absolute chump and trying to do it from the inside. And I think I was trying to rush it because of filming. But it is actually quite logical. But yeah, it would help a little bit having front, back, left and right, just to make fools like me be able to do the job quicker. But yeah, take your time and plan. I think that's probably the best bet. I don't know whether you can see from these angles, but it does fit exactly. So there's no sagging on it at all. Those plastic clips do pull it taut. And as you can see here, the actual holes marry up really well, so you can open up all the vents and all the windows. You've also got the points where the Velcro patches match up with the Velcro actually on the TentBox Go itself, which is brilliant because it gives you that nice seal. But what it doesn't have, which the pictures sort of suggest, it's not a complete shell around you. So it's like a 3/4 shell, so it doesn't go underneath you. That's probably what the Velcro patches are for. After experience of camping in it, having that foil blanket underneath that I got from Halfords makes a lot of sense, because it gives you that complete cocoon of insulation. Now, one of the problems that I did find is because it's on the inside of all the poles, I couldn't use the iPad holder that goes around the poles because the liner sits on the inside of it. And I had no points at all where to put my lights. But what I did do, you got those round little hooks that you roll up and seal with that way. So I've got the lights through there. I'm still going to need to have something that I can put my iPad on. Please, if you enjoyed my videos, like and subscribe. That would be awesome. So since I've done this video, I've actually taken it out down to Brighton, and what are my feelings about it? I liked it. I thought it was really good. It didn't keep me really toasty warm. It kept me slightly warm, so you still need to have a decent sleeping bag and a decent duvet. But it really was good. I am very impressed with it. There was a bit of condensation it got between the thermal liner and the TentBox itself, but no, that's brilliant. The big question is though, does it all fold up without me having to take it out again? And is it easy to put the cover back on? Quite simply, yes, it really is. I'll show it on this video here, although I take the ladders out and I've got to get back in to take it down again because, again, I'm an idiot. But yeah, I would give it big thumbs up for this, guys. Is it necessary? Yeah. If you've got a really thick sleeping bag, maybe not. But it doesn't get that cold in the UK. But yeah, it is a great accessory, and yeah, I'd say it's a good piece of kit. It needs a little couple of changes, especially because I can't put my iPad up. But there you go. Thank you very much, everyone, and take care.